Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. In just 21 days, your life could completely transform. Not a little, totally. Sounds impossible? It's not. What I'm about to share isn't a hack or shortcut. It's a total reset for how you think, act, and live. Even if you feel weak, distracted, or have failed countless times, these 5 steps can rebuild anyone. But first, you need to watch this with total focus. Because if you commit, your next 21 days will be the hardest battle of your life, and also the most rewarding. Step 1. Morning discipline. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Hitting snooze may seem harmless, but every time you do, you train yourself to quit when life gets uncomfortable. Pick a wake-up time, 5 or 6 a.m., and stick to it every day, no excuses. Take a cold shower, move your body for at least 10 minutes, read or learn something new, even when you don't feel like it. Do this consistently for 21 days. Discipline isn't built when life is easy. It grows when your mind wants comfort, but you push through anyway. This is how your confidence stops being just motivation and becomes your identity. Step 2. Dopamine control. Your phone is hijacking your brain. Every scroll, notification, and useless video gives fake rewards and leaves your mind exhausted, scattered, and weak. For 21 days, reduce screen time and cut distractions. Take back control of your attention. This isn't just motivation, it's a war. Once you reclaim your dopamine, you reclaim your focus, your energy, and your life. Step 3. NoFap challenge. Master self-control by resisting urges. Every time you resist, you grow stronger. Every time you give in, you weaken. Avoid porn and masturbation for 21 days. Watch as your focus sharpens, your confidence rises, and your willpower finally becomes real. Step 4. Deep work. Being busy isn't the same as being productive. Most people waste hours juggling tabs, Instagram, and YouTube while achieving nothing. Deep work means shutting out all distractions and dedicating 2 to 3 hours to your most important task with complete focus. Attack it like your life depends on it, because in a way, it does. Real progress comes from relentless concentration, not comfort. Step 5. Gratitude and reflection. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small, and 1 lesson you learned. Track what went right, what went wrong, and how you'll improve tomorrow. This rewires your mind from a victim to a warrior. The first few days will be brutal. Your mind will scream to quit. Your body will resist. That's where true transformation begins. Commit to this 21-day challenge, follow these steps, and by the end, you won't recognize yourself. Comment, "I'm ready," and let's build the new you.